Shopping jelly 101.
I can see. Alright, coconut meat.
It's just there like right in between jelly and coconut face.
Today we just have a go down in the town and we'll try to see if we can get like a piece of yellow yam or something like that and then roast. We get some okra right here, so we have a piece of yam where we are going to roast. And we have like some sweet potato right here, so scallion thyme, and then right here so we have onion and tomato. The other fish then we forgot to record and show on. So snapper with roast yam, roast potato. And that we're going to go and bounce with still. It look like, oh, you're not catching nothing again? See the end result with the fish them right here, so all I fish them done. So what we are going to do now, I just make the pot simmer. Remember I said pot